Hello everyone, I am Walt. Here we are with another principle in this series. Yes, 44 parts into 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. So yes, this 44th principle here is to clean your house bit by bit. So what's this all about? Why do you want to clean your house bit by bit? Why do you want to take that approach, do all this stuff, all that fun stuff? Yeah, it's a good question. Well, I'll get into it. Why does this make you happy? So a lot of people have too much clutter in their house. Now, sometimes this is because of a hoarding disorder, but usually it's just because people like to keep a little too much stuff. People come from a time of scarcity, and so it's generally a habit to keep a little too much stuff. Now, hoarders are a little bit different. That is a, disorder very similar to OCD. It's in the same kind of group. So really it's something to be treated in that direction, not something to be ashamed of or anything like that. It's just something need to be, treated, dealt with. Exposure therapy, particularly in that direction. But when it comes to just cleaning your house for all us semi-normal people here, it really is it's just kind of the process of going through and getting rid of a little bit of stuff. And one huge problem a lot of people have on this front is that they try to do it all at once. So they have the desire to clean their house, they get started, they clean like part of a room or something, then basically they try to keep going when they really don't want to. So they're really just hurting their own ability to perform in the future on this because they keep going when they've lost their desire to. Now, I can talk about that as a minion of fear. It's one I've aptly named Overkill that goes beyond just what you desire to do and goes to a level where it makes you keep doing things that normally would be fun, but now you've grown tired of. So there are a lot of examples about when that comes into play, but the main principle here, regardless of that kind of version of fear, basically, the main principle here just is that cleaning your house is going to make you happy, but you really need to do it incrementally. Either, follow the whole like Marie Kondo kind of art of decluttering method there. Or, take your own approach, but I would say the biggest thing is to go slowly. Now, some areas in life we feel really inspired to go into, and it's fine to feel inspired. As long as you feel inspired, keep cleaning, but do something where you're not basically just moving stuff from one room to another and you think, okay, I'm going to sort this later once I move it, because then when you lose your desire later in that afternoon or something, then you're not going to want to actually sort it and you're going to have stuff all over a room you actually use. So it's better just to do all of it in one place, just to not try to make a big deal out of it, just clean out one box at a time, throw away as much stuff as you can here that you don't need, give it away, all that kind of stuff, donate it. And I would say that's the key here. You just want to do it systematically, effectively, and you don't want to you don't want to keep pushing yourself to do it when you've lost the motivation, because you can just do a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, and soon enough you can clean up your stuff. So yeah, anyway, that can make you happy. It's good to accomplish stuff, to have more space, to have more, ability to use that space. And so yeah, cleaning house is always a good idea. So anyway, that's my take on it. That's how it's going to make you guys happy. Check out some of my stuff on Amazon if you guys have not and want some good affirmations to go along with a lot of this material. I got a lot of books on that. I got a lot of books on describing the works of the subconscious mind. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Check out all the other stuff around here, because this material is all about self-help. So, check her out. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time with the next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.